Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of you might face while playing EA FC, the DirectX error. This error can cause your game to crash or display message about DirectX, indicating a problem with DirectX or your game files. First, ensure you have the latest version of DirectX installed. You can find it on the official Microsoft website. Next, update your graphics card drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, such as NVIDIA or AMD, and download the latest subscribers or drivers for your specific card. If these steps don't work, try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes these programs can interface with games running properly. Remember to turn them back on after testing. Another potential solution is run to the game as an administrator. Right-click the EAFC executable file and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. If the error persists, check for issues with Visual C++ redistributables. Open the control panel, go to Programs and Features. Find any installed Visual C++ redistributables. Select them and click Repair to fix any issues. If none of these solutions work, consider reinstalling EAFC completely. Remove the game from your computer and download it again from the official website. Also check for any background software that might be causing conflicts, such as overlays or streaming software. Finally, if you have tried everything and still faces issues, contact EA support for further assistance. They can provide more specific solutions or identity the problem you're experiencing. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related problem-solving videos. I'll see you in the next one.